Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Discover Financial step by step clearly. To invest in Discover Financial, start by researching the company. Understand its business model and financial health. Visit Discover Financial's official website for the latest information. Check the stock performance on financial news sites to identify trends. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to Discover Financial stocks. Fill out the necessary application forms for your brokerage account. Deposit funds into your account to prepare for the purchase. Use the brokerage platform to search for Discover Financial stock by its ticker symbol, DFS. Review the stock price and recent performance data. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price. Alternatively, set a limit order if you prefer to buy at a specific price. Confirm your order and review the transaction details. Monitor your investment periodically to track its performance. Stay informed about any news related to Discover Financial that may impact the stock. Consider diversifying your portfolio with other investments to reduce risk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.